Action day through this morning, and also based on wildfire smoke, reduced air quality, thick, heavy in spots. You can see up there near Granby, Walden, even into Loveland and Fort Collins, based on multiple wildfires burning and the wind direction. Winds have kicked up this morning, last recorded up near Estes Park at 32 miles per hour. Winds will be sustained from the west-southwest through the day and be the breeziest, it looks like, into our northern mountains through about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Here's our wind forecast. It will get a little bit better later on this evening, but in the meantime, wind gusts could reach up to 30-35 miles per hour over our northern Front Range foothills into our central mountains. We don't have a fire weather warning in place like yesterday, so not quite as treacherous and poor as Wednesday afternoon, but still it will be breezy at times with high fire danger over southern Colorado, mainly south of I-70. It's also going to be a lot cooler in Denver. Get ready for a pretty chilly day with temperatures only in the 40s, and then our next strong system will bring some much needed moisture to the state, it looks like, by Sunday morning.